Okay, so some days ago I posted this about Bangtan Chunanda Nagabite Suga, and now I very much regret posting that. The entire incident, so-called drunk driving case, happened because of a CCTV footage presented by the K media, and now it has revealed that it was a wrong CCTV footage. It was a fake proof, therefore they deleted that. Now tell me, does it make any sense? And finally, here is the right CCTV footage of that exact incident. So as you can see here, he was not driving on the main road. The distance was way too short. He can drive maintaining a straight and single line point to be noted without any single issue. His driving pace was appropriate and slower than expected. The entire view, look at the view here. The entire view is so peaceful that one can relate. And when he fell from the e-bike was not even damaged. So thinking of damaging other properties is so hard to believe, trust me. Look at the video. While falling, he had his exact body balance to control himself and his e-bike. He was in a right state of mind to pick up his beanie, what he loves to wear, and mainly, notice here, the main thing, he did not forget to put up his helmet again after falling. So first of all, it was not a falling, it was just a misbalance, but as a human, we all do so. And look at the behavior of that police officer. They were not even helping him. They stood there with zero excitement, and I can feel from here, their conversation was like, Sugashri, 괜찮아요. 네, 괜찮아. It was a very simple matter, not even a case. Then why so much freaking hype on this simple, easy to understand thing? And if it was a crime, then congratulations, we all are criminals. I don't know from when misbalance became such a huge and impactful crime. What? The way they did present the entire case, I imagined a totally different and difficult scenario in my mind. WTF. I don't know what to say, but the way society treats celebrity and their lifestyle is too bad. Sometimes it is inhuman. I feel sorry for that. It is clearly visible that they don't even consider them as human beings. They are just an object to play for them. And the fun part, they turned him into a criminal for this thing. They made him say sorry for this simple, easy to understand thing. And media, they can go to extreme level just only to promote and hype their content. Not only for this case with Suga, behavior of media is getting worse day by day. Don't have any words left to describe their unique type of brutality. Honestly, it is really hard for me to process the fact that they even made him say sorry for this simple matter as if it is really something to be sorry about, where the police officers did not help him the way they claimed in all the articles. While watching this clip, the real footage of that exact incident, I could feel that how much embarrassing it was for him. He left speechless. Some people even left some inappropriate gifts to encourage him to leave the group immediately. For these types of people, I, as an author, have written some lines in Hindi. Hope you can understand it. एक बार देख लीजिए, थोड़ा शर्म कर लीजिए, खुद को आईने की तरफ देखकर आँख थू बोल लीजिए. Thank you.